This is Howie. This is Howie. I would say just go for it. If you ever doubt about it, just go for it. It's kind of a little confusing. Hi, my name is Jason. I'm here at ACHT, the Veterinary Assistant program. So prior to this program, I was in the Marine Corps for 6 years. Veterinary was one of my first dreams and career paths that I wanted to do. And thankfully, after transitioning from the Marine Corps, free schooling, free college, and so I was able to hop back on this path, much more confident, more capable of handling this class. And it's been terrific so far. It's been a true enjoyment of being here and continuing my original desire for veterinary assistant. And so this is a very different transition for me, and education-wise. Here in the classroom, PowerPoints, computers, never used a laptop before. But the school here, the professors, the teachers are absolutely phenomenal with helping me transition and help and teaching me everything like that. So it's been amazing. Nothing I can't learn. My favorite part about being here with the veterinary assistant is being the hands-on, being able to work with the animals and learning, and just they can't speak to us, so it's so much different energies, and then that's truly amazing. It's different from the human body, so it's something that's very interesting to learn. It's fun. It's very hands-on, and that's what I love. A true enjoyment of being here and continuing my original desire. Honestly, my first day here, it was I had an anxiety attack. It was scary. I was nervous. It was different. I was out of my environment, and they talked me through it, helped me out, and little by little, I ended up being comfortable, building bonds, friends, and the animals are a huge support. Overall, it truly helped me express myself and come out and gain really comfortable with learning. This was actually really cool. We actually went out to one of the cottage farm, and we actually got to go and milk a goat. We also got to take care of and play with some roosters and goats, sheeps. That was kind of really, it was outside of the classroom, and it was really, really fun to learn that and be hands-on, and then milking a goat was pretty cool. If animals are your passion, follow through with it. Don't allow the anxiety and nervousness to be a blockage. Get comfortable, speak up, and if you really want it, there's anything, don't allow the second thoughts to stop you. Just go for it. It's absolutely a tremendous amount of fun, and the experience and bonds that you build are lifetime memories. So I would say just go for it. If you ever doubt about it, just go for it. It doesn't hurt.